Yes. So images, then bg.jpg, then width equal to 200 pixels. So this is my image. Just one ID I'm giving my image, my. So then if you can execute this one, here is the image. So suppose if you want to change this image using JavaScript, so then let my img equal to document dot get element by id. So then id is my img, right? So then here my img dot inner html equal to dot slash slash images slash, where is this one, slider one. Okay, I have a slider one dot jpg. Okay, so then here, so we are changing the src, we are changing the src, right? So we are changing this src. So then now you can see what happened. Path is raw, is going to html images slider one dot jpg, png, html images slider one dot web, just slider 3 we are having. Okay, and we reload, so then we can change the image also. Okay, the next one is the html forms. How we can validate the forms how we can validate the forms using this javascript. Okay, so we can say one by one. New js 88.html. So then now here I'm creating a form. Okay, input type equal to number. So then name equal to my num. So then id equal to my num. So then class equal to, so any class we can add it. Okay, form hyphen control. So then placeholder enter number. Alright, so then button my function I am clicking. Okay, enter number, it is created now. So this function is coming, so when we submit that one, so it is coming to this function. Okay, right? So one is coming. So then we have to get that value. We have to get the input value. So then how we can get, let my val equal to document dot get element by id, get element by id. What is the id here? My name is the id. Then that dot value, dot value, value. Okay. So then if you can see, I let my val. We are getting the 15. Now how we can validate that one? So then if then my val is greater than or equal to 50, 50. So then that, so I'm creating one, I'm testing, let let text. Okay, here text equal to, so then input is okay, input is okay, or else text equal to this, add the this add number greater than 50. Okay, now I am appending this text, here, right? So then span or paragraph, this is a id equal to id equal to mm, help text. So then here document dot get element by id dot help text dot inner html equal to txt. Okay, so then now you can see here nothing is there. So then when I add this one 15, please add the number greater than 50. So then when I add 55, then input is okay. So this way we can validate the form elements. Okay, so this way we can validate the format, right? So the next topic is how we can add the css. How we can add the css. JS 89.html. Okay, so here is this one, document dot get element by id, so then id is help text dot dot style dot color. Okay, say it's a warning text, so that's why I'm appending to red color. Okay, So now you can see that is right. So it's not happening. Input text. Document dot get element by ID. Style dot color. Alright. So it is not adding. It is not adding. Style dot color. Input text. ID. Then content is adding. Then why this color is not adding? Style dot color. Then sample text. So for this one we can add it. Help dot style dot color. Then red color we are appending. Sorry, 89, right? Ooh, okay, now we can see. So then input text, then we can append this style, right? So if it is a green, so then I'm entering this one. So 55, it is appending a red color only. Then I can append this one as a green color. Okay. So this way we can change the style. This way we can change the style. Okay. So you can add. So in using JavaScript, we are having one disadvantage. We can add only one property at a time. So if you want to add another property, this one, if you want to add, apply the another style. So then again you have to write another statement. Get element by ID. So then help text dot style dot color style dot border, right? Border. So then equal to 1 pixel, 1 pixel solid. So then solid gray. Okay. So which one we can append? So my num we can append. Okay. If it is a valid, so then we are appending to the so my num dot style dot border. So then my 1 pixel we are appending. For this one we are appending our red border. Okay. Now you can see it's a red border. So if it is a valid one, if it is a valid one, so we are appending to the green border. Okay. So for each property we have to write one statement for JavaScript. Okay, so this is the way we can apply the CSS using JavaScript. We can change the styles. Okay, so then after that, so events, we already seen these things. So user clicks on the mouse, so then web page loaded, image has been loaded. So then the mouse moves over the element, mouse input field is changed, HTML form is submitted. So when the user strokes a key, so these are all the elements. Okay, so these are all the HTML events. Okay, so first one, so on click, first one, on click, on click. So then you can see js90.html dot type, so then HTML, then head, title, JavaScript, DOM, events, then body, h2, JavaScript, DOM, events. First one, I have one h3. Okay, click the button and display the date. Display the date. So then we have a button. Okay, so inside try now. Okay, so this is my button. So for this button, I have ID equal to my button. Okay, so here we are having a paragraph. So then ID equal to result. Okay, so then script, so then we are having document dot get, then write a function document dot get element by id, so then this my btf dot dot on click equal to display my function we are calling. Okay, we are calling my function, right? So then function my function, so then here document dot get element by id, so then here result, we are appending the result to inner html equal to date of, date method we are calling. Okay, here we are calling the, what is that one, on click function we are calling, right? On click function we are calling. So then on blur, where we, when we call this one on blur. Okay, when I click that one, so it is not coming. When I come outside, then only we are getting. Okay, that is the on blur. So the next one is onChange, onChange. So when we can have onChange method, so when we are having the onChange, when we are having the inputs, then only we will call the onChange, right? So then we have input type equal to text, okay? So then name equal to my text. So then id equal to my text. So then placeholder equal to enter text, enter text, okay? So then I'm creating another one without confusion. So js91.html, okay? So then now document.getElementById here on change, you can call on change, on change. We are having the, we are calling the my function, okay? So what we are getting, document.getElementById, get element by id. Where is this one? Where is on change my function? So then here inside we are getting document dot get element by id, then my text dot my text dot value. So then let input val equal to, so that is the value. So then we are appending the value here, okay? Now we can see 91.html. Okay, this one I'm not calling, sorry. So this is, we are writing for my function, right? We are calling here. So on change, on change. So then my function, okay? Whatever we are entering, whatever we are entering, so that one here we are get, we are displaying the value here, okay? This is another event. So then mouse over and mouse leave, same thing, same events. So then after that, so mouse over and mouse down, so we can see that one also. Other events is js92.html. We are having a div, okay, div, okay. So then I have one div, well, background, right? So then width 100 pixels. So then height 100 pixels. Then padding, padding 30. Okay. Inside of this one, mouse, mouse enter, mouse enter or hover. So then color equal to color white. So then font size 30 pixels. Okay. So when I mouse over on that one, so then when I hover on that one, we can call the function mouse m over. Okay. So then my let obj equal to document dot get element by id. So then there any id here? No id. Id equal to some test. Okay. So then test dot. Okay. So then my obj dot inner html equal to then mouse 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 enter or mouse over. So this is one text. So then another one is mouse leave, mouse out, right? The mouse inner html mouse leave. To the div. Okay. So we have to call these functions, right? We have to call these functions. Where is this one? Where is this one? So here is the div. So then on mouse over, on mouse over. So we have to call the m over function. Okay. So then, so on mouse leave out, on mouse out. So then we have to call the m out. Okay. So then, okay, mouse over to the div. So then when we leave this one, mouse leave from the div. So this way we can call the JavaScript events. Okay. So this is the today's class. Tomorrow we can discuss about the regular expressions. We have another two classes, regular expressions and web APIs. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. No doubts? Okay. Thank you.